This is Rakesh Jain, founder and chairman of FSL Software Technologies Limited. Ankita, answering your question about the challenges being faced by industry and the need of a CRM package like Sales Mantra, I wish to state that today managing sales team and getting good productivity out of them is a real tough task for any and every organization. Sales is the crux of every organization. Hence, if you get good productivity of your salespeople, then it can help you in increasing your volumes as well as increasing the profitability. Let's talk about the challenges which the industry faces. One of the most important challenge is documenting what the salespeople are doing. And after documenting, getting business intelligence reports so that appropriate decisions can be taken. In case of success, one can see that those steps can be repeated and increased. And in case of failure, you have data to analyze why one is not able to achieve the targeted or desired results. So, Sales Mantra helps you in documenting right from start of the day by the sales executive till he walks out of the office, by check-in, check-out facility, by attendance marking, and by writing what all he has done during the whole day, in terms of fixing meeting, in terms of follow-ups, etc., etc. Most important thing is that while doing this, the software is so user-friendly that once a software is set for moving, it does not take more than 3 to 5 minutes of the sales executive time in a day, provided he is updating his data on a regular basis. The software is supported by a lot of notifications, alerts, and escalations. Like, I'll give you the example of neglected calls. Now we call it neglected calls. The better word could be calls which have not been attended on time or which have not been responded well by the executives concerned. We have seen there are instances that on certain sales calls, people have not worked for 15 days, a month, or sometime even 6 months. The software provides for alerts, notifications, and escalations, which could be predefined, and based on that predefined number of days, it can go to specific people, it can go to the user, it can go to the superior of the user, and it can even go up to the ultimate director in charge. It's totally up to the user how he configures his alerts and notifications and escalations. Another very important thing is that attrition is a very major problem in every industry. In the earlier system, when sales executives used to maintain diaries, all data used to be with the sales executives in their diaries or in their memory. As and when they used to leave the organization, all that data and work also had been going with them. In Sales Mantra, since all these things are properly documented, we have provided an additional feature that by a simple one click, you can transfer all the existing calls from one user to another. You can transfer all or part or specific calls. So this gives you leverage of redistributing the calls. In case a person has left, then attributing his calls to the existing people or the new people who have been hired. And thus, none of the work which is being performed by a sales executives get lost. The new person starts from where the old person has left, and he is fully aware of what all has transpired between the company and the customer. This software is more important when the users are operating from multi-locations. See, I'll give you a very typical example that I never developed confidence of hiring people in Mumbai, South, etc. because I felt that I will not be able to manage them. But after the use of Sales Mantra, I felt it's immaterial whether the person is sitting in Noida, right in front of, under our nose, or he's sitting at Bombay, Pune or Ahmedabad. because he's putting all his work, we are able to see what all he's doing. We are able to evaluate his productivity on a weekly basis, daily basis and monthly basis. And we are able to get good and full productivity out of that from the person. In fact, this thing has enabled us to even look for seats instead of hiring our own offices all over the place. So that you hire a sales executive, hire a working space, and then your branch is operational with the use of Sales Mantra. Besides, we have added service management to this software in terms of Sales Mantra, which handles the complaint management, which handles AMCs, which handles orders, implementation. In sales, we also talk about handling targets, projections. We handle preventive maintenance. Besides, in COVID time, we felt that people need to work from home. And the basic question we asked to ourselves is that why a salesperson need to go to office? Because most of the customers were also not responding for physical meeting. That means what he needs is a laptop, internet, and the data which he has in the office in terms of customers and the letters, the primary letters, the price lists, etc. So the basic data of sales is in the software, while we created a library where he can keep all his data in terms of pricing, in terms of his mailers, in terms of anything which is used by him repeatedly while he is in office. So he keeps that matter in the library, and the library, since it is on cloud, he can access it from anywhere, anytime, 365 days a year. With this, we have created an extra feature that for salespeople, there is hardly any need to go to office. Reviews can be done from the software only. Expense control can be done through the software only, because all expenses which are being incurred by the sales executives are documented in the software. And then there is a very direct relationship of the productivity, of the work done, and the expense. Any point of time, an analysis of expense vis-a-vis productivity can reveal that are we incurring expense without productivity? And the comparison of all the salespeople of the company can easily be seen, which can help to identify wasteful expenses or people who have not been effectively managing their sales work. So I personally feel it is an essential for anybody and everybody to use Sales Mantra or a software like that if they have to increase their productivity and efficiency. My firm belief is that any person using this software effectively can increase their profitability by at least 25 to 30%, increase the effectiveness of their people by 25 to 30%, and increase the sales also by 25 to 30% or maybe more if effectively used. Thank you. I hope this answers your question.